It's been quite a long week this week, so I thought we'd do just sort of a nice, simple, just kind of relaxing live stream, and I would just break out the Z-scale trains and just run some trains. I got back my, I have a micro trains B unit that I just got back, and I'm hoping that I can pull a bunch of passenger cars now that I've got that locomotive back, and I thought that just run some trains. So look at those things, how fast they're moving in Z-scale. And I know people like operations, but I gotta tell you, I just like this. I love just being able to like have these trains run in a circle. I don't know why. I just like it's just fun to me. Rail Art says a lot of it depends on the era you're modeling as well. Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Welcome to the
I don't
club.
think it's supposed to be in this many pieces.
Oh no.
It's less pieces than mine was.
So it looks like I've got a drive rod. I've got the top plastic cover, which seems to be intact. And I've got a weight. It looks like I'm missing one piece. So what I'm missing that I need to find is, so there's a little like thing here that this drive rod goes into. It's to go in, there we go. And then there needs to be another sort of thing of that on the other side. And that's what seems to be missing. But other than that, if I could find that, I may be able to get this thing running again. Well, you know what now, Heath? You'll have to check the dog the next couple of trips. So, funny you should say that, because as I picked it up, I feel something. No way. No way!
You found it.
No way! So I picked this up to show you guys, and I was about to say, this is what it fell right next to. So I guarantee you that the little piece that's missing is somewhere buried in this thing. And as I pick it up and touch the edge of it, I feel this little, like, plastic thing. And lo and behold,
There it is.
there it is, the missing part.
I got to give you a golf clap on that one.
Wow. Nisi J, it's a Festivus miracle. I have to put this thing back together now and get this working. See, I win. I found it. Steve87 PSAT, you did technically. It was your dog comment that ultimately led to the finding of this little piece.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.